How do you get Autodoc best promo codes and discount? Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open any browser in your PC, and then in the search bar simply search for Autodoc promo code. Once you search for it, you'll then be able to find tons of websites that provides promo codes and coupon codes for Autodoc. So the first one we have is Coupon Follow. As you can see, it provides you different kind of offers and coupon codes. 10% off, 5% off, and even 2% off. If you like to use them, tap on Show Coupon Code and then copy the code, or simply tap on Redeem at Autodoc and then paste the coupon code that you have just copied. Now next one we have is Hot UK Deals. Inside here you'll then be able to find a different coupon codes and vouchers. And just like that, if you'd like to use them, tap on See Deals and then simply tap on Go to Shop as it needs no code. And the last one we have is Savo. Just like that, you can go ahead and search for coupon codes right over here and then tap on Get Deal to use it. And then tap on Continue to Autodoc and then follow the link to save up to 73% off on selected items at Autodoc. And that is simply how you can find best coupon codes and promo codes on Autodoc. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.